Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I installed this wig. This hair is by Miyihair. Yeah, Miyihair, and this is all 4 bundles of 28 inches and a 20-inch frontal, and this is their 3A texture, and it's 613 hair. I toned it, and I'll show you guys how I toned it and everything. And I'm probably also going to dye this hair, so yeah, this is how it looks in the blonde state. But yeah, I really tried to finesse this for the color like me, so dark skin girl. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching. Thanks. Okay guys, this is day 2 of me trying to tackle this wig, but I already wore it before, but I didn't film me putting it on, so now I'm gonna film me trying it on and stuff. The first time I tried to do this on camera, I got really frustrated because it was the first time I tried to do it ever, and the method I did just didn't work. So I just had it sitting around, not taking care of it. And so we're just gonna, bring it back to life. So I'm gonna take a spray bottle and just spray all of it. Now I already have my wig cap on, so I'm just going to apply the wig. And just place it where I want it to go. This color is very bright, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna work with it. I'm just gonna pin this back. This is where we want it to go. And then I'm just gonna start spraying. This is the Got To Be Free spray. And then you can use a blow dryer, but I just usually let it air dry. One more layer. So you don't have any makeup on, because it's really easy to do, it just be dripping down your face, so it's easier to do that because you just don't really care where the glue goes. Right now I just have eyebrows and mascara and a highlight and stuff, so it's just I can just wipe it off and do my face again. I just do this to go to class, so take comb and a brush to move the hair out the way. And I just want to place the lace down. Sometimes I just go in and spray the little parts, right in the front. It doesn't lay all the way. Go in and just spray. Just to do another layer, I take this pink, love pink from another top like this and headband. Okay. Let's go and lay it down. And this just like helps it stay, like this is kind of really tight. And I'm gonna wait a little while, I'm gonna do my makeup and like come back to like style the hair and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty easy method of what I do when I like I don't know if I like my makeup, whatever. As you can see, I do my makeup, so now I'm just gonna take this thing off. Okay, first there's like a line of demarcation for my makeup, so I'm gonna just like fill this in. Whatever, I'll do that later. So just go ahead and spray the hair again because like it has a dent in it. And also you just want to get all the hair wet so like you can define the curl. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and there's a little bit of this oil on the top. So I don't know, I have hair on my head. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some oil on the top. I just love the way this oil smells. Nice. Just flatten it out. And then the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now we're gonna work on the edges because it's a little rough, so yeah. I'm gonna take some argan oil, the mousse. Now I'm taking this CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer, and I'm gonna just come in like some parts. I feel like you can see the color of the waist. I'm just gonna like tap and then go in one more time. The glass will be freeze frame. Just to lay down every. But yeah, this is how I do it, and I'm just gonna change and show you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is what the final look looks like. And then all the way down here. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below any video ideas you want to see. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is StateofDallas. We're doing really good on Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.